Hey guys, it's your girl Wella Novee. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Jaclyn Hill's new face palette. I believe it's like a blush and bronzer type of a palette. I am so excited to dive into today's video for you guys. I'm not even going to talk too much. We're going to dive right into today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. It's your girl Wella Novee, and we're going to go ahead and get right into the video. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon. I'm so excited for her, y'all. Like, just in case you guys are wondering, on the eye, I'm actually wearing Jaclyn Hill's eyeshadow palette, the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. Oh, y'all, I'm excited. Already, I'm excited. I'm excited. The box and the packaging, I am so feeling like how it got shipped. It is so cute. It reminds me of her style. It's very minimal with detail, so I definitely appreciate that. Now we're about to get into this face palette, y'all. Okay, so right away, I am definitely feeling it is heavy. It is definitely heavy. And just the box alone, it says Jaclyn Cosmetics Bronze and Blush Duo. I would have never thought in a million years that this was inside of here. Like, it is so cute. It is so heavy. Oh, bam! What? Before I even get into this, let's just take a moment, okay, and appreciate what Jaclyn did, okay? It has the Jaclyn at the top, okay? And this little J, this J, like, Jaclyn, she's not playing with y'all. Like, she had her moment, and I can only imagine, guys, like, it takes a lot for these established makeup brands to get their formulas together and packaging together. So for her to be an influencer who basically just started from ground up, like, come on, guys, give credit where credit is due. That's just like you right now being passionate about something and you just start a company right now. Like, seriously, like, this packaging, I am feeling it, okay? I am feeling it. And it has the names on the back, and it's called B-Roll and Espresso Shot. She killed it, y'all. She killed it. Like, are you kidding me? I feel like I just opened up like something from like YSL, or like, she killed it, y'all. Like, I'm stuck on the way that it opened up. Like, she killed it. Like, are you kidding me? Look at the mirror. She did not come to play. You hear me? Like,